Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bitcoin hit $68,000. Who was buying with me at 16K? Congratulations to all of you. Account hitting new all-time high. It's going to shock you. When I refreshed it, now I was shocked. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button. If you were with me in the bear market, if you've been here since 2020, if you bought Bitcoin with me at 16K, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of smash up thumbs ups on this video, thumbs ups, and let's push up the algorithm. Let's push this group. The gurus are cleaning up in the Telegram as well. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and the account, my Bybit account, just hit $848,599. In the last 7 days, it's from 668,000. So I made 180,000 in the last 7 days. And in the last 30 days, it's up from 502,000 to 848,000. So I made $346,000 in the last 30 days, which is beautiful. $250,000, more than $250,000. My Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin at 68,500, up 8.9%. Bitcoin is exploding. My Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin go. 68,559. Insane. It's just going. My Bitcoin trade is now $197,000 in the profits. $197,000 in the profits. I already took $6,000 profit realized. So it's from $12,000. I made $203,000 profit. That's a 1,596% trade on Bitcoin, which is amazing. Really amazing, everyone. Congratulations. And the whole crypto guru community in the Telegram is just making massive gains right now. I want to show you this as well. Everyone is celebrating. There's 155 of you online right now. Shit's crazy shit, but all-time high will be broken. Bitcoin is going right now for all-time high. This guy made $6,000 on Ethereum, $8,000 on Bitcoin. I pump it. Everyone's celebrating. They're going crazy watching this happen. Bitcoin hitting it's close to its all-time high. Let's go into the technicals. Bitcoin coming close to its all-time high. Look at this. All-time high, 69,000. It's $700, $600 away from its all-time high. Bitcoin is $600 away from its all-time high. Volume is growing. Nothing is stopping this. The bull flag, the bullish pennant that I made a competition of the other day has been playing out beautifully. Congratulations, anyone who saw that bullish pennant video. 69K is a massive rejection. Prepare for a big rejection of 69K, everyone. A place to open the trade after the rejection will be on a big support that we had after the previous bull market when it hit 69K. So you can see here 69K, then the major area of support after hitting 69K was 65K. So that's where I would open a long on the pullback after hitting new all-time high. And it's about to do it, everyone. 68,594, 68. It's about to hit new all-time high. So again, where I would open the trade is a rejection off the all-time high, which is beautiful. Congratulations, anyone who followed my Elliott wave count, by the way. If you followed my videos, we counted the Elliott waves off the bottom, and we traded it up from 16K. If you follow, we bought literally the bottom of the market, and the new Elliott wave count is playing out beautifully, but it's going further than even I expected. So I expect this rejection of 69 all-time high should be here, and a little bit of a corrective wave, then the fourth to fifth final wave, which looks like could be 90K at this resistance. I'm adjusting this. But the 4 hourly, the volume is growing. But again, 69K, expect a massive resistance off that previous all-time high and a big rejection. And then if it pulls back, it will pull back to that previous support after the previous all-time high. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Risk reward 144. Opening the trade at 65,524, which is now a big support, which, by the way, is insane for me to be saying, because I was one of the only people in the world calling 60K months ago, and now we're here at 16, almost at new all-time high, which is amazing. And I'll show you where I was I've been calling Bitcoin the whole time. Bitcoin 60K, 19th of 12th, 2023. But I don't think so. I think Bitcoin is just going to have a big push up. It's just getting adopted everywhere. Stochastic turning up on that was 60K. That I posted that Bitcoin 60K 19th of the 12th, 2023. So again, this is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at. Wait, I'll give you the exact open spot at the end of the video. Let's go through everything. My Bybit account now, my Bitcoin trade, 1,596% in the profits, $196,500. 15th, and I made that with $12,000. I made $196,000, which is beautiful. Funding fee 0.08, so quite high funding fee. This account $848,836 up almost $346,000 this month. My spot positions, my 2 Bitcoin is now worth 137,000 up 8%. My Doge is worth 130,000 up 20%. Booyah, everyone. Who remembers buying Doge with me? Who follows my videos when I talked about Doge accumulating, Doge breaking out? Let's see where it's going on my targets. But I call Doge like crazy. If you followed my... Where was I talking about Doge? I want to see if I can find it. I don't know if I saved it where I was saying Doge is going to explode. 100,000%. Okay, I can't see it where I talked about Doge, but this is my on Twitter. I hit 84,000 followers on Twitter. First Bitcoin, then ETH, then alts, then small alts. This time I think it's different. Bitcoin is going to take all the liquidity from the market for a while. Bitcoin going for 68K. That was 34 minutes ago. Now we're almost going for new all-time high. My community making massive gains, money daily. Market keeps giving, and we keep earning as a community, which is beautiful. You can see congratulations, everyone. This is in the Telegram. This is the last 20 minutes. This guy made $13,123 on Bitcoin. Everyone making crazy gains in the Telegram. Bitcoin 66,300. Magic Runners being released Wednesday, March 6th. Another gain to the Magic Craft ecosystem. Our portfolio hitting new all-time high. This one's a good one. Good thing the banks and the governments protected you from investing your own money into Bitcoin the last 15 years. You should thank them. Remember, Bitcoin governments and Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptos trades are close to $10 million profits, everyone. One of the biggest trades on Bitcoin on the market. Doge up 17%. This was me on the 18th of the 8th, 2023. Bitcoin Union Doge buyers activated on the dip. Also, Bitcoin longed opened at 25K. This is when I bought Doge. You can see I bought 931,000 Doge, $55,000. My 931,000 Doge is now worth... Oh, I have even less because I must have up. It's now worth $131,000. Uniswap $90,000, 1%. USDT 61, FXS 54,000, MCRT 51,000, down 2%. World up, down 5%, 37,000. Pocket about even as well, down 10%. But the account hitting new all-time high at 848,552, mainly off my Bitcoin positions. This Bitcoin long 196,158%, which is beautiful. And this is the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 65,524, stop loss 65,199. Take profit 115K, my new target, but 90K is going to be a big rejection. This trade will open at 65K after Bitcoin hits new all-time high and gets a rejection off, if it pulls back so far, if it manages to. But after the 69K all-time high in the previous bull market in 2021, I remember, if you guys remember, I was on in that restaurant in Dubai. But anyway, after that, I think 65K will be the open, 65,500 will be the open, and the trade will be risk toward 144, risking 346 to make 50,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage, with 10x leverage 500,000, 100x leverage 5 million. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, my Bitcoin trade 196,000 in the profits, 1,587%. Which is beautiful. I'm very thankful for this. This account, 847,000. If you want to trade like you see me do underneath the video, down below, underneath the videos, everyone, go underneath the video. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. Bybit is the main exchange, the number one exchange I use. Use that link to join the gurus, and you get that 30,000 bonus, and you join our guru trading community. 2, take all the courses in Otherwise You're Gambling. The crypto master course is where you learn technical analysis, 12 hours of lessons. You get the Bitcoin indicator bot, the crypto guru bot, and all this network and then information. Then after you did that, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you inside our Telegram groups. In the Telegram open chat in English, there's now 167 of you online, 2,500 chatting, 167. And you can just see people trading together, sharing their charts. This is the last few minutes of sunrise. It's only 6:30 in the morning here at sunrise, and this guy made $8,000 profit, Ethereum 6,000, and pump it. You can just see people chatting all morning, all night. There's so many conversations going on, so many gains. This guy made 67%. And you can see just everyone chatting together. Join them. There's 160, 195, $4,000 on Bitcoin, $393, $307 on Bitcoin percent on Bitcoin, Shiba 136, Doge. Look at everyone making gains. It's crazy. This is my entire community inside the Telegram. There's 167. This guy $288. This guy $1,264. 484% on Bitcoin. Everyone just making massive gains, which is beautiful. 167 of you online. Join them in there. Over on OKX, my 1 million to my $10,000 to $1 million challenge now 36,000. And my Bybit account now 847,000, hitting new all-time high in the last week, up almost 200,000 in the last month, up almost 350,000, which is beautiful. $195,000 profit on this Bitcoin trade. Let's go into Doge now. Bitcoin pumping, that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Doge also up 20%, which is crazy. Who remembers this accumulation video that I talked about just a few days ago? How someone was massively accumulating Doge here, also us. And now Doge, look at that, boom, smashing through my targets. 13 cents, 16 cents was a massive resistance that it just ate through. Doge just ate through that major area of resistance. We were buying it at 0.05, by the way. Next area of resistance, 19 cents after this. And then after 19 cents, 23 cents. These are big resistance areas. And just Doge is just eating through them. And the volume growing like so crazy. And this is my buys on Doge. I want to show you my buys on Doge. This is in spot. Doge is now second biggest holding in this account, 131K. I want to show you the spot buys on Doge. Look at this. This is where I was buying Doge. If you followed my videos and you watched my videos, this is where we were buying Doge. Look at that. Everyone see my buys on Doge? Literally on the bottom, I bought Doge here. I was buying it at, the low was 0.08. Those were some of these buys. This low was at 0.08 also. This buy was at 0.07. You can see all the buys I did on Doge, and that has massively profited. And again, my Bitcoin trade, 195,000, 1,581%, coming close to new all-time high, which is amazing. Again, all the links are down below. The exchanges, one to trade, Bybit is the main one, $30,000 bonus. Two is the courses, Crypto Master Course. Take them all. They're around $333 each course. Then join us in the Telegram. And again, Bybit account hitting new all-time high, $846,904. Australian 1.3 million. It just hit 1 million Australian 5 days ago, which is beautiful. 195% on Bitcoin. Congratulations, everyone. That's my updates in the market. Also on Twitter, what else we got here? 84,000 followers on Twitter, which is amazing. You guys got me unshadow banned. Thank you so much. These are the things I was talking about. Bitcoin pumping. Everything is just about Bitcoin. Crypto, Cryptos trades pumping. Also advised to MCRT. Doge up 17% and now another 20%. We buying Doge at the bottom, 0.07, even lower. Wow, gurus, this is truly amazing. Check this out. This is really
there's
something special.
There's 9,000 announcement channel and there's 2,600 chat channel. This is this morning. So this is the gurus this morning. 7,000%. Look at all these. Okay, I'm going to go a bit faster. This is this morning. It's 10 a.m.
See all the gains of everyone. Bitcoin hitting 64,000. And you can just see all the messages there on Twitter. Again, everyone, congratulations. This is huge news. Account hitting new all-time high. Bitcoin coming close to its all-time high. Let's see how far Bitcoin is away from its all-time high right now. Bitcoin, 68,200, getting rejected off that 69. Let's go into the 1 hour, 15 minutes so you can see it more clearly. Coming close to its all-new time high. It was about, Bitcoin was about, what is that, 400, 300, and 160. So $460. Bitcoin is $460 away from its all-time high. We sold the top November 11, 2021. We bought the bottom. Congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.